Welcome! Today I am with Sony headphones and I will show you how you can change custom button function. I'm talking about this one that you can find. So you have to simply open your headphones Sony application, then you have to go for System. There we got the option that we can change our custom button function, so click on the settings icon, and as you can see we can control ambient sound control, Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa, so you have to decide what you want to get. You can easily switch like that, and when you make it, you got also here the description of the available operation that you can make by using this button. So for example, when you switch to the Amazon Alexa, we can only use audio input. We can control audio input by pressing the function button one time, and if you want to confirm, we have to click down, click OK another time, and right now we have to reconnect to our headphones. So tap on the connection button, do it another time. There we got some kind of the problem, the issue connection, and as you can see right now it was changed, so you can free use this custom button. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.